How to remove volume indicator on TradingView. Are you guys facing issues to remove volume indicator on TradingView? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open TradingView on your laptop device. If you don't know how to download TradingView on your laptop device, make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. So once you open up your app, you can see the volume indicator over here, which is quite annoying, right? To remove this volume indicator, just simply tap on it. Once you click on it, now look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see your indicator option. You are looking to remove it, right? Just simply tap on remove. If you want to hide it for a moment, then just simply tap on hide. Your indicator will be hidden. If you want to again see the volume indicator, tap on show. Or if you are looking to remove it completely, then just simply tap on remove and your indicator will be gone. And that's it, guys. That's how we're gonna remove volume indicator on TradingView. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.